Hello, I'm Blaze. We will learn about aquatic animals. An aquatic animal is an animal, either vertebrate or invertebrate, which lives in the water for most or all of its lifetime. Fish, octopus, jellyfish etc. are the examples of aquatic animals. The term aquatic animal can be applied to air-breathing aquatic or sea mammals such as whales and sea cows. When you look into the underwater, there seems to be like a nice view of a blue aquatic life, if you're a scuba diver. How does fish breathe in water? Fish breathe with their gills, and they need a constant supply of oxygen. Gills sit under the operculum. This is called the gill slit. When the oxygen moves throughout the fish's body, it can then diffuse into areas that have too much carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide will then be carried out of the bodies through the gills. How do they lay eggs? Most fish release thousands of eggs, scattering them in the water where the male fish fertilize them. The eggs develop and hatch into larvae. They give birth to live young. Can you imagine a young clownfish was born and given a name? He was Nemo. Like in movie Finding Nemo. He lives with his father fish Marlin. Later, Nemo was taken away by the scuba divers, and sent him to aquarium. His father kept finding for him. All of a sudden, a blue tang fish named Dory appeared and hit Marlin. Dory was suffering from short-term memory loss. Other movie called Finding Dory, she appears to be quite small, as for the childhood. Her parents named Jenny and Charlie, but sometimes forgets herself, as same as the short-term memory loss. That's a quick review of the synopsis. Back to this topic, aquatic animals are subject to pressure from overfishing, destructive fishing, marine pollution and climate change. Outside the water, there are sea lions, the ability to walk on all fours, short, thick hair, and a big chest and belly. Other aquatic life such as frogs, ducks, and pelicans. To which are the birds. Ducks' feathers help them float not just by repelling water, but by trapping air. Pelicans are characterized by a long beak and a large throat pouch used for catching prey and draining water from the scooped-up contents before swallowing. And finally, a frog. A frog is any member of a diverse and largely carnivorous group of short-bodied, and a tailless amphibian. Frogs live in aquatic regions and can catch insect by its tongue. Hence, these aquatic animals we have discussed for the review. Like, comment, and subscribe now.